Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we got a very nice barn chain for you McCulloch 125 guys. This is a 42-inch Cannon bar roller nose, and it is a 63 gauge. The bar is stamped 058, but it has been machined out to an 063 gauge. And you look down those rails there. It's used, but in good shape. It's got that really popular back in the 70s roller nose. A very popular setup. Comes with a new chisel bit 404 chain, .063 gauge. And you can file this with a round file. Most guys do a round file on it. If you're good with a chisel file, you can file with chisel. And if you got a 125 McCulloch, this makes a very nice setup for that. They're very hard to find. We'll get that boxed up for you.